Hey Shri, I have been thinking about diving into animation lately, but I have heard it's pretty challenging. What's your take on it?
Animation? Well, if you ask me, traditional animation is quite tough. But with the help of new tools and AI based technologies, it is not as tough as it sounds. Actually, it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it.
Really? I thought there were all these complex techniques and software to learn and master.
Nah, not at all. It's more about unleashing your creativity. Tell you what, let me show you how to do it. It's way simpler than you think.
You would do that? Awesome, I'm all ears. And maybe a bit skeptical too.
Perfect, I will prove it to you. We'll make it a fun and creative experience. What do you say?
Count me in, let's make some animated magic together.
Welcome back friends. So this is going to be a really interesting and interactive kind of a video where you will be able to create your own animated characters from scratch, and that too within 5 to 10 minutes. Literally speaking, you will not take more than 5 to 10 minutes to get the hang of this entire dashboard in front of you. It's a very simple kind of an interface, and this is the app which I'm talking about. This is called as Animate from Audio, and that is an Adobe product. It is a free software with limited characters in front of you, but they are more than enough to create any explainer video or any product video, any marketing video, or some conceptual videos, right? So on your screen you can see two sections. On the left hand side there is your canvas, and on the right hand side there are n number of characters which you can choose from. So the video which I made, this is the second character for that video. As you have already seen in the introduction, there are two characters who are talking to each other and discussing how to create animation. So, right? So this is nothing but the canvas for the second character's part, or the second character's role in the script. So you have to create different canvases corresponding to different characters. So I will quickly show you how you can create an animated video from scratch. The very first thing is you have to select a character. So let's take an example. There is a fight between the Earth and the Moon. The Earth is trying to prove himself better, whereas Moon is trying to prove a point that without the Moon, the Earth is not having any significance at all. Right? So there is a quarrel between both of them. How will you create it? It's very simple. You have to select the characters. Now you can see there are these many characters which correspond to humans. Similarly, if you click on all, you will be able to see so many characters are here. They're limited, but they are quite useful. So out of these characters, let's select a character from creatures. Right? Over here you can see there is Earth. Yeah, it's a cute one, right? There is the Moon. They are really very cute. So you see when I click on one of the characters, the other one replaces, or the other one is replaced. So that is what I was saying. You have to make different canvases corresponding to the different characters. So to do that, let's right click on this tab on your top and click on duplicate. If you are using Google Chrome, it's simply duplicate. If you are using some other browser, there might be different options. If you are not aware of it, simply click on this URL, copy it, go to the new tab and paste it. It will do the same thing. Okay, this is my first canvas corresponding to Earth, and this is my second canvas. This will correspond to Moon. So do the same thing over here. Go to creatures and select Moon. So now my two characters are selected. Only make sure the left portion will be used up by Earth and the right portion will be used up by Moon. It's looking quite good, but as you can see, the background is not matching my script. So you have to now go to the second option in your menu, that is background. Go to background and select some celestial kind of a background, that is this space. So now it is looking quite beautiful. Do the same thing with Moon. Go to background and select space. So now there will be a celestial war between this Earth and this cute looking Moon, right? So now we have almost reached the half of this project in front of us. Only thing left is the most crucial one, the narration, the audio. So for that, we are having two options. At the bottom you can see there is one record option. This is nothing but you're going to record your narration by simply looking into a script, or you have the second option, that is browse. where you might be having some pre-recorded audio samples. Simply browse for them and upload it over here. What this software will do is it will go through that audio and convert that into an animated video where this particular character will be speaking out that audio and the corresponding motions will be shown as per the audio theme, right? So that is a very cool thing. You simply need to upload the audio and Adobe Animate or Adobe Express will automatically convert that into a 2D animated video. Isn't it cool? Right. So I will show you both the ways, that is recording and browsing. But before that, aren't we missing something? Just think about it. Yes, we are missing a script. Because if we have a script in front of us, the recording portion will go smooth. We will be able to simply read through it and the audio output will be better. On the other hand, if we simply go impromptu, there might be some mistakes here and there, and we might need to do editing again and again. So to avoid that, we can have a script ready in front of us. And how to create a beautiful script? I expect some answer from you this time. Yes, you are correct. Our best friend ChatGPT. I have already created a script. You can simply see I have written something like this. Write a short intro script between two friends, Earth and Moon. Earth displays its prowess and calls out Moon to be tiny, where Moon says that I may be tiny, but without me your existence is feeble. I help you create the tidal waves and so on. So based on that, the script is created. So now what I will do is, on one tab there is the Earth, on the other tab there is the Moon. So I will record for the Earth only the portions which correspond to the Earth's script. On the other hand, I will show the second option, that is browse, for Moon. I have already recorded an audio sample corresponding to the dialogues the Moon has according to the script, and I will upload that to show you both the ways simultaneously. Fine. So let me go back to the Earth's script and click on record. Hey Moon, check me out. The mighty Earth, the giant of the solar system. I have got oceans, continents, and an atmosphere. I am pretty impressive, huh? Come on, Moon. Look at you up there. So small and insignificant compared to me. What do you mean? I guess you have a point there, Moon. Maybe size isn't everything. Fair enough. Moon, you may be small, but you have got some serious influence, dude. That's it. You can do some modifications to the script which ChatGPT has created for you. You can add your emotions. Right now, I simply read it out, but you can add your own emotions to the script. This is going to take some time based upon the audio length, audio duration. In the meantime, let me go back to the Moon's workspace and let me upload the audio which I already have for it. So go to browse and select the audio which you already have for Moon. Okay. Upload it. Okay, so as you can see on your screens, let me just play it out once. Hey Moon, check me out. The mighty Earth, the giant of the solar system. I've got oceans, continents, and an atmosphere. I'm pretty impressive, huh? Come on, Moon. Look at you up there. So small and insignificant compared to me. So isn't it cool? It is a really cute animation in front of you. But one thing you might have noticed over here is I am simply reading out all the portions of the Earth, but there are some portions of the Moon in between. So what you need to do, you need a video editor where you will be cutting out the portions of Earth and place the portions of Moon in between. I will show you that also quickly towards the end. That is how to edit these kind of videos, right? So the first part is ready. Simply click on download and your file will be ready to be downloaded. Okay, so this is my first file. Similarly, go to the second tab. It is still wrapping things up, so it might take some time. In the meantime, you can use any editor of your choice. Right now, I'm just showing it with a very basic video editor called CapCut. You can install CapCut, you can install Filmora, or whatever video editor you are having right now in front of you. You can use any of those video editing softwares. So this is the editor. You simply need to place the videos which you have just now downloaded. So over here, this was my video, right? So now, according to the breakpoints, wherever there is a break between the Earth and the Moon, you can just cut out the video samples. Hey moon, check me out. The mighty earth, the giant of the solar system. Over here we are having the first cut. So you can simply cut this portion. Don't delete it. We are simply making the cuts. I've got oceans, continents, and atmosphere. I'm pretty impressive. Huh? Second cut. Come on, moon. Look at you up there. So small and insignificant compared to me. Third cut. What do you mean? Fourth. I guess you have a point there, moon. Maybe size isn't everything. Fifth, and this is the last. So these are the 5 cuts. Similarly for the moon. Now I guess, yeah, the moon's narration is done. Now drag this file to the video editor and place it on the editing board. Now it might look something like this, one on top of the other. We don't want that. What we want is only those portions where I have made the cuts, you have to insert the moon's dialogues in between. So first of all, what you can do is you can place this at the fag end and make the cuts similar to the earth's.
Impressive, sure, but don't forget, size isn't everything, my earthly friend.
So now the task is very simple. What you need to do is you need to place them to the positions where they are expected. For example, this. Let me play this. Hey moon, check me out. The mighty earth, the giant of the solar system.
Impressive, sure, but don't forget, size isn't everything, my earthly friend.
I've got oceans, continents, and an atmosphere. I'm pretty impressive, huh? I guess there is some mistake over here. Just this needs to be placed over here. Now listen this. Listen to this. Mighty earth, the giant of the solar system. I've got oceans, continents, and an atmosphere. I'm pretty impressive, huh?
Impressive, sure, but don't forget, size isn't everything, my earthly friend.
Come on, moon. Look at you up there. So small and insignificant compared to me. Now place the remaining moon section over here. Just after this, yeah.
Size doesn't determine significance, Earth. I may be tiny, but without me, your existence is feeble.
After feeble, there's a cut. Okay. So this
Significance,
has,
Earth. I may be tiny, but without me, your existence is feeble.
okay. So make a cut over here. Just simply follow the script. What do you mean?
Well, my gravitational pull may be small
Now it's in sequence. Okay.
and keeping things in order.
I guess you have a point there, Moon. Maybe size isn't everything. Fair enough. Now add the moon.
Exactly. So next time you call me tiny, remember I have got some tidal power up my sleeve.
Fair enough. Moon, you may be small, but you have got some serious influence, dude. That's it. So isn't it a beautiful way of creating a quick animation, that too within few minutes, right? There is a small learning curve, but that too is very simple. Once you get a hang of it, you will be able to create animations in few seconds, right? So this is a very cool way of creating animations using this tool called as Adobe Animate from Audio. But there is a third way of doing it. If you are not comfortable with your own voice, you can make use of AI voice as well. Nowadays, AI voice is not what it used to be. Previously, AI voices were very robotic. Nowadays, AI voices have evolved a lot. Let me show you one of those softwares. One of those softwares is nothing but called as 11 Labs. You can import your script over there and it will be able to create AI voice samples. Okay, so let me simply create a very small sample. Let me copy this, paste it over here and listen to it.
Hey moon, check me out. The mighty earth, the giant of the solar system. I've got oceans, continents, and an atmosphere. I'm pretty impressive, huh?
You can download this. This sounds really very cool, really nice, right? So you can use this instead of your own voice. And trust me, the output is really going to be splendid. So this is how you can create such cute animations using Adobe Animate from Audio. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and don't ever forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. Your comments and your feedback means a lot to me. They keep on motivating me to create such videos in the future as well. So thanks a lot. Stay connected. God bless you. Take care.